10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. History Unit 4 Opposition to British rule in Karnataka. The 18th century in Indian history is considered as the century of political problems. Why? The death of Aurangzeb in 1707 was the main reason. Which incident created political challenges in Mysore state in 1704? The death of Chikkadevaraja Wadir. Who was known for his innovations in arms usage? Hyder Ali was known for his innovations in arms usage. How did Hyder Ali establish his control over the administration? He sidelined the King Krishnaraja Wadir II and established control over the administration. Which treaty ended the first Anglo-Mysore War? Treaty of Madras ended the first Anglo-Mysore War. What was the main reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War? Mahe, the French colony, was under the hold of Hyder Ali. The British attacked Mahe and captured it. It was the main reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War. Where was Hyder Ali defeated by the British during the Second Anglo-Mysore War? Hyder Ali was defeated in a battle held in Port Nova by the British. Which treaty ended the Second Anglo-Mysore War? The Second Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Mangalore. Tipu Sultan tried to drive out the British seriously. Why? Tipu Sultan felt that the British are the major obstacle for his policy of expansion, so he tried to drive them out seriously. What was the main reason for Third Anglo-Mysore War? The politics of Travancore was the main reason for Third Anglo-Mysore War. What was the clear breach of Mangalore Treaty? The King of Travancore built a fort in Kochi with the help of the British and captured Ayakota and Kanganur forts from the Dutch. It was the clear breach of Mangalore Treaty. Under whose leadership did the British capture Karwar, Coimbatore, Dindigul, Meadows? Which treaty ended the Third Anglo-Mysore War? Treaty of Srirangapatna ended the Third Anglo-Mysore War. According to which treaty Tipu had to pledge two of his children as a guarantee against the payment? Treaty of Srirangapatna. What was the main reason for Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Another treaty containing inhuman and impractical conditions was forced upon Tipu Sultan. Tipu rejected this. It became the main reason for Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Which incident made the British that they were happy as if the whole India came under their control? The death of Tipu Sultan. To whom a small territory was handed over after the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. A small territory was handed over to the royal representative of Mysore Wadiyars. Why was Dondia called Wagh? Dondia was called as the Wagh due to his bravery. Where did the British kill Dondia Wagh? The British attacked him near Yelaparvi and killed him at Konagal. Where is Kittur? Kittur lies between Dharwad and Belgaum. Chennamma had to take care of day-to-day administration during Shivlinga Sarja's rule. Why? Due to Shivlinga Sarja's failing health, Chennamma had to take care of day-to-day administration. Why was the agreement entered during the time of Thomas Munro? Shivlinga Sarja supported the British during Maratha War. As a result, the British entered an agreement with Kittur and collected payment from him. Who was the adopted son of Chennamma? Shivalingappa. Who was Thackeray? Thackeray was the collector and political agent of the British in Dharwad. How did Thackeray attempt to take over Kittur? Thackeray sent a report to the governor of Bombay and attempted to take over Kittur kingdom under the doctrine of lapse policy. Under whose leadership did the British attack Kittur? The British attacked Kittur under the leadership of Colonel Deacon. Where was Chennamma imprisoned? Bailahongal Fort. Whose name has remained famous along with the name of Rani Chennamma? The name of Sangolli Rayanna. Why did Sangolli Rayanna fight against the British? He fought for the independence of Kittur and felt it was his duty to liberate his motherland. The British shifted Chennamma to Kusugal prison from Bailahongala. Why? The British thought that Rayanna was being instigated by Rani Chennamma, so they shifted Chennamma to Kusugal prison from Bailahongala. What was a cunning strategy devised by the British to capture Rayanna? They encouraged Desais who were opposing Rani Chennamma, who joined hands with the British in their cunning strategy to capture Rayanna, Krishna Raya. Many ballads have kept the life and bravery of which ruler? Sangolli Rayanna. Name the ruler of Kodagu who was dethroned by the British. Chikkavira Rajendra. Which incident created political insatiability in Kodagu? Chikkavira Rajendra was transferred to Vellore through Bangalore and later to Kashi. This incident created political insatiability in Kodagu. Who organized a rebellion in Kodagu? Swami Aparampara, Kalyana Swami and Puttabasappa organized a rebellion in Kodagu. Which incident increased the popularity of Puttabasappa? Puttabasappa killed an Amaldar who was known for his brutality. This incident increased the popularity of Puttabasappa. Who was the leader of Surapura rebellion? The leader of Surapura rebellion was Venkatappa Nayaka. Who was the father of Venkatappa Nayaka? The father of Venkatappa Nayaka was Krishna Nayaka. Which incident resulted internal struggles in Surapura? Venkatappa Nayaka's ascendance to throne was opposed by Krishna Nayaka's brother Pedda Nayaka. This incident resulted internal struggles in Surapura. Who was appointed as the resident of Surapura by the British? Meadows Taylor was appointed as the resident of Surapura by the British. Who was appointed as the Diwan of Surapura by Meadows Taylor? Pedda Nayaka. Who conducted the land survey of Surapura? Meadows Taylor. Who was appointed as an officer to report on the various activities of Surapura? Campbell. Who is usually presented as the leader of 1857 revolt in Karnataka by the historians? Venkatappa Nayaka. Where is Halagali? Halagali is a small village of Mudal Taluk of Belgaum district. Why did the Bedas of Halagali rebel against the British? They rebelled against the British when they were asked to surrender their firearms.